my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. Okay, today's topic is about messages from Divine Mother. Okay, so I'm going to give the picture now. Please choose a pile from that picture. Hi, pile 1. So let's see the messages from Divine Mother for pile 1. Man holding coin, woman holding heart. Wow. Fourth chakra and Archangel Raphael. Okay. Divine Mother is saying that I think you are in relationship or you are going to be in a relationship. Looks like if you are single, then definitely soon you're going to be in a relationship with a beautiful person. Okay, so Mother is saying that I think you are someone very good at heart, and you will take care of your person very well in future. I feel you're waiting a lot for your person from many years, and this time is coming so close. You will definitely meet your person. If you're already in a relationship, then definitely you're going to win your person's heart. Okay, I'm seeing here sun. So this the bonding with your person is going to increase a lot day by day. Okay, it is going to be very beautiful that no one can break. Especially this bonding was God has sent this person to you, and you are going to achieve whatever you want in your life when this person is behind. I feel that your person is a lucky for you, and for your person you are lucky. Okay, I'm seeing Archangel Raphael here, always protecting you and healing you, giving green healing light and giving the healing energies to you. Okay, I feel you are having some sort of health issues. Okay, Divine Mother is saying that you need to take care of your health more. You need to focus on your health. You need to improve the better lifestyle. Okay, I feel somewhere it is affecting you, the health. You're not feeling that much good about your health, looks like, and you need to take care of that, because I'm constantly seeing Archangel Raphael here with you. So it means that something that he is healing your health. Mainly he is healing your emotionals, like emotional, whatever you are feeling emotionally about something. So he is healing you. So you can always feel him whenever he's around. You will feel him, you will feel the green light, you may see in the visions the green light and all that. So Divine Mother is saying that the waiting time that you're thinking about something is ending and a new thing is starting very soon. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of the bonding and the caring from your husband. Your relationship with your husband is going to be very beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I feel that your person is rich and having very good name. Okay, and having a lot of money, or earning a lot of money, very independent, very calm and all that. So I feel that recently you are facing some sort of health issues or some sort of fights with the family, some disturbance with the closed ones, that has happened recently, and it is going to be clear very soon. I feel that right now the situation in your life is not too good about something that you're worrying a lot. Okay, you need to take away all the worries that are hurting you. You need to focus on the life that is there in your hands. Okay, Divine Mother is saying that she has gifted a lot of things to you. Okay, she has gifted she gave everything that you needed. So what Mother is saying is, achieve what you want. You need to achieve, you need to focus on your present goals, and you need to focus on your future goals. You need to take care of yourself and improve the lifestyle. So I feel that you've been very hurt by something, or maybe about the relationship that you are in. Looks like something has got stuck here. Okay, so Divine Mother is saying that you need to move forward. When you're feeling sad, you should not stop, you should keep on moving forward. Okay, so let me pull the another cards here. So I have already chosen the three cards for the pile one. Okay, so let's see. The Tower. Whenever Tower comes, it feels that something is ending, something is starting. It's the clear message for the card Tower. Okay, so Seven of Pentacles and Eight of Wands. So what I'm getting here for the pile one is something you're facing very, you've been hurt by something, you're facing a lot of issues in your life. Okay, so Divine Mother is saying that she's going to burn it, whatever the sadness it is, that she is going to end it very soon. Okay, it is ending and something is going to start. Okay, and it will happen very quickly also. You will be at peace, you will be calm, you will be relaxed, and something very beautiful that you're thinking in your mind and not happened till now, it is going to be start. Okay, I'm also getting here Seven of Pentacles, right? I feel that you're very frustrated about your financials. Okay, see the tree of the money. Okay, so here you can see it's very clear that you will be financially very good in future. Okay, financially it is going to be very good, and financially you're going to earn a lot of money, and you will get it definitely. Financially you will get it whatever you want. But I'm just still I'm saying here the seven number, it may take 7 months or 7 weeks, or it may take 7 years also. Okay, so I feel that Mother is saying you need to work on yourself, you need to work on your career. I feel you are neglecting it and not doing that much work. Maybe you're doing little and postponing the things and all that. So you need to do it, you need to keep on do it, never stop work. Clearly Mother is saying, Divine Mother, that never stop work. If you work only, you will get whatever you want, right? You need to move forward. If you take one step, she's ready to take 100 steps and help you. So she's saying that you need to work on yourself. And I feel that the savings that I feel you should save some money, or spending a lot of money. Okay, she's telling you to not to spend so much money. When it is necessary, you can definitely do it, but if it is not necessary, then you have to skip it and save it. Okay, so I'm also seeing here Eight of Wands. Okay, some sort of news is coming your way. Maybe someone are looking for the job or something like that. Something is coming your way. In the beginning it may be bit very slow. Okay, after some time, after 4 months, and it is going to be very good. And I feel that you're going to do a lot in future. You're going to be independent. The person that you are now is, it would be completely different future. Like I feel that right now you're very upset and not too good about something. In future you will develop a lot, you will work on yourself, and you will be very good. So trusting yourself is very important. Mother is saying that you need to trust yourself. Okay, you need to think about your happiness. Think about, you need to set the goals. Every time Mother says that you need to set the goals. Without goals, how you know that what you should do, right? So you need to set the goals, and you should definitely every day you should connect with her in meditation, at least for 5 minutes. Just think about Divine Mother, feel the energies of her, and ask whatever you want and move on. Okay, so it's very important to connect with the Divine Mother. Okay, she's going to help a lot. She's healing, and she's telling you to not to worry. She's looking after everything. She's holding you in her arms, and she's always protecting you, and you are in a beautiful energy of her every single second. Okay, yeah, this is for pile 1. Okay, let's move to pile 2. Hello, pile 2. Let's see the messages from Divine Mother for pile 2. The thinking man walking away, caring connections. Wow, this is especially for the lovers, I feel, the pile 2. Okay, let's see what Divine Mother says for this pile 2. Sorry. Yeah, Divine Mother is saying that I feel that you're very happy about your connection. You, if you're not in a relationship, you're going to get a very beautiful, you know, person that you are wishing from many years. Okay, definitely your person is going to be very good, and caring connections, a lot of caring will be there between you and your person in future. The relationship will be very strong, that that you feel very emotional with each other, cannot able to live without each other, and you will be ready to sacrifice anything, and you will be ready to do anything that your person want. You both will sacrifice a lot of things for each other. I feel this the connection with your person is getting very emotional day by day. Okay, if you're single, definitely in future you will be very very caring about your person, and your person will care a lot about you, and you both going to do something in future, build something, or look something is there that you person is will do. Okay, so I feel that somewhere you are walking away about something that you're not liking. Looks like it's about work mainly. Okay, I can say it's work only. So Divine Mother is saying that even though it's very tough to manage the things in future or in the present, you need to keep on going, because she's there to protect you and guide you. You should not get worried, or you should not get you should not be sad that something is not happening, whether it happens or not. Not to Don't think much about future. So mother is saying that leave whatever is going to happen in future, leave it to her. Do whatever it is there in your hands. She gifted beautiful the connection in your life, and she's saying that she will make sure this relationship work very good in future. So I feel that the connection with the Divine Mother and with you is a little bit disturbing right now. So she's saying to connect with her every single day. Okay, if you connect with her, she is going to clear whatever the blockages, whatever the problems that you are having. She's going to guide you and clear all the problems. So I think Divine Mother is missing you a lot. I feel you're not connecting much. Okay, she's saying that you have a great gift to do anything that you want. So she's telling you to work on yourself. Something is there in you that you can do anything. Something you're going to do in future that she planned about you. So it is going to turn beautifully. You will help a lot of people. Your partner will help you in that, and a lot will change. She's saying you to focus on what you feel. I feel that you're getting some sort of message that you need to do something, but you're not able to get it very clearly. So don't worry, you will definitely get it. My saying that definitely you will get it. Divine Mother is going to plan something very beautiful. Already she planned, and she's going to bring it in front of you very soon, maybe 2 months or 4 months, looks like. Okay, so you need to wait for the time, and you should be very happy. Never stop trusting her, because if something is not happened, it does not mean she don't love you. She always love you. She's saying very clearly that she love you a lot. Okay, yeah. And let me see the another cards also. I already picked up. 1 minute. Yeah, the first card, Fool card. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Something is there that you do in your life. It will change many numbers lives, and your life also. You'll be very happy about it. Okay, Knight of Wands, Hanged man. I feel you're feeling very frustrated or something like that, and you're very confused about the work that you're doing or the future that you're thinking. You're very frustrated. Yeah, I think you need to gather more friends. I feel you're not that much good with the friends. The bonding with the friends is very less. So, Divine Mother is saying that don't do it everything by your own. Okay, take some help from closed friends and the family members and all that. You need to take some step very soon. You need to do something that you wanted to do it. Okay, I feel it's about work only. Okay, so some sort of happiness is coming your way. She's going to send a lot of happiness. Someone other, looks like some other friend also Divine Mother is sending into your life. So that friend will help you about your career. Okay, about your career, about your financial. That friend will definitely help you. So it will make very good friendship between you and that person. Okay, so Knight of Wands also I got it. I feel that some sort of news you're going to get it, or some sort of letter or mail you're going to get it about something. Looks like it's a message from your person, or a love letter from your person, or marriage proposal, or some sort of beautiful asking for a date or something like that. Something you will get it very soon, that is very beautiful. I feel you're looking for this from long time. Okay, so you need to be strong in yourself. You're very nice person, that mother loves you so much. Okay, so you need to be very strong. I feel emotionally little bit you are weak. Okay, so she's saying that you're not weak, that you think you're very stronger. You need to be strong. Okay, she's telling you something is supposed to happening in your life about the career. You need to take step. Okay, that time will arrive very soon, and you will take the step, very big step, very very soon. Okay, so she's telling you to help the poor or help others when they need it. Okay, so I feel that you're worrying about the family. Okay, she's telling that she's going to take care of them very well. She will take care of them, so you need to focus on yourself. So she's telling you to talk with the other people, and be close with the family members, and don't be alone. Okay, don't be sad and don't be alone. She's telling you very clearly, alone is literally hurting you a lot. Okay, so the Fool card, you got it. Someone is coming your way, very good friend. That person will be friend forever, and going to help a lot in future also. So bringing a lot of news and knowledge from that side, so that that person can share and help you about your career and about your financials. I feel you're going to put some money in something and going to start something very new. Okay, yeah, this is for pile 2. So let's see for pile 3. Hello, pile 3. So that's the messages from Divine Mother for pile 3. Happy family, edges and possibilities, strong warning. Oh, okay. Okay, Divine Mother is saying that some sort of climate problems, or some sort of you know she's warning you about the place that you are in. You should be a bit careful about the place that you are in. Okay, so maybe the climate may affect you little bit. It may be some health issues also, like cold or cough or fever or something like that. Looks like it's normal, nothing will happen to you. She's telling you to be bit careful. Okay, so she's telling you that you should stop going outside when the weather is very bad. Okay, so I feel the here the construction and all that, I got it. It means like you are you're going to build a lot of good things in your future. Okay, about your future. Okay, right now it's just slow down. So Divine Mother is saying that in future you're going to build very beautifully. A lot of opportunities also you will get in future. So I feel that you're doing work for some time and stopping, and again doing and stopping. So she's telling you to continue working, continue building the your career. Okay, here I got a beautiful card. Okay, happy family. She's telling you that you will have a beautiful family and the kids and everything. It's very clear that she has blessed you to be happy family. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of up and downs here, some struggles, not supporting, parents are not supporting, maybe family members are not supporting, there is no support from the family members. Okay, looks like there is a lot of things are going on in your life. So she's telling you that don't wait for someone to help you. Okay, do it by yourself. She is going to help you. See here the rainbow colors, you're going to your life is going to be colorful. Okay, so very clear I got here the shining light also. It means that she is always with you. She's telling that she is enough to build career for you. Okay, she's telling that she is there with you. So believe in yourself, work on it, and do it whatever you want. Okay, I feel that you need to keep on working. She's telling you to keep on work. Okay, try to be in a calmer place. She's telling you that be in a calmer and peaceful place. I feel some people are very close to disturbing traffic or some sort of things. Okay, she's telling you that if possible try to in a calmer place. Okay, it gives so much peace to you. Okay, so she's telling you that you will have a very happy and peaceful family. The partner that you will be with will be very good and supporting. I feel your partner is going through a lot of struggles also, but it is going to clear from that side also. I feel you will have a kids, or if you have kids, your kids will strongly walk in a spiritual path. Looks like one of the kid looks like. Okay, they're blessed with something very strong from God. So Divine Mother is saying that don't worry about the family that you will be with. Okay, it will be very beautiful, but up and downs will be there, struggles will be there, the pain will be there, but you will always walk. Okay, so I'll pull the another cards also. I already picked up, so let me see the devil card. I just hate the word devil, sorry. Knight of Swords. Okay, Nine of Wands. Okay, I feel that some sort of bad energies are there around you. So Divine Mother is telling you that you should connect with God. I feel that this devilish energy is literally keeping all the bad thoughts in your mind. It's like that don't do that and don't do this. You cannot do that. You cannot do this. It's like that. I'm getting all the some bad energies also. She's saying that she is going to remove all the bad that is attached to you. She is just telling you to ask her. Okay, you need to ask her that Divine Mother, please remove whatever the bad energies are attached to me. Once you say, immediately within a second she's going to remove it, because the permission you need to give. Okay, you need to accept, because God will never force anyone without their they should accept it definitely. So she's telling you to ask Mother, ask her. She's going to remove it. Okay, she's going to remove the chains that the bad energies are tired, and she's going to remove it. Okay, and you will get free from all the bad. I feel in 9 months I'm seeing that you will be free from all the bad. And I'm also seeing that the situation that you are in will speed up. I feel you are struggling a lot and you are not happy in your life. I'm seeing beautiful blessings of the family, but you're not happy. You're trying to do the things and again going backward, and again trying to do the things and again going backward. It's like she's telling that, wait for some time, okay? Trust God and keep on doing it, and God is going to help you a lot, okay? Don't take quick actions. Just take time. Be in the presence of God. Go to temples that the God that you are like, and go to temples and meditate for 5 minutes and listen to your heart. If your heart feels, that this I want to do it very strongly in the presence of God, then do it. Keep some angel music on, and sit for 5 minutes in temple and decide it, okay? Feel the divine mother love, and whatever the God that the temple that you are in, feel the energies of God and decide it, because every God will help you, okay? So she is going to bring you out from a very dark place to the light, okay? This is very strong, that you will be in the presence of God very soon. The struggles that you're facing, it will remove. Once the rain falls, it will all clear. It's like that, and you'll be very happy, okay? The karma, the problems that you're facing now, it will all clear. And she's telling you that do not be scared. Don't scared. I feel you're scared at night, so don't be scared. Just feel her, and call angels, okay? So your heart is so beautiful, that she like the way that you behave with others, because you're very nice person, and you're very worried and stuck with a lot of problems. So as much as you can, you should be in the presence of the God, okay? And she's telling you to write the letters and talk like a friend to her. She's going to help, and don't take any quick decisions. Slowly, after 9 months, it is going to be clear everything. You can take a lot of steps, okay? You will see the change in your life. You will definitely see the change in your life. You will be very happy. You will have the kids, and you will have the new house and calmer, you will be in a very calmer place, and everything will change immediately. Like once 9 months completes, it will just change. You will see a lot of good changes, and you will be very happy, and you will ready to take the decision also, okay? So yeah, this is for pile 3, okay? Thank you so much for your love and support. Bye, take care.